Yeah, it looks really simple, and I like the fact that all the listing tools are built into the same system, especially with the templates. And it's not just a technical tool to move things from one platform to another. It looks like the catalog's really well developed, and it looks really nicely built. The interface looks really good. I've tried probably half a dozen, and they're either for very technical connectors, which I'm okay with because I'm a technical person, but I don't want to be dealing with that sort of thing on a day-to-day basis. This one, having the catalog that is so user-friendly, but has such a lot of detail in it with all of the AI help and the templates and all the other tools for analysis, like the profit calculation and the wholesale. Everything in one box. This appears to be a really advanced and comprehensive solution with a help desk as well. You kind of don't need to jump around all platforms all the time.